I'm Dr. Scott Hoffman. I'm a board-certified, fellowship-trained reconstructive foot and ankle surgeon at Midwest Center for Joint Replacement. If it's below the knee, think of me. My goal is to keep patients active. I want my patients to be able to do whatever it is that they want to do, without pain. I've been an avid distance runner since high school. Through my running, I suffered from multiple injuries. Heel pain, shin splints, Achilles tendonitis, even an ankle fracture. I know what it feels like to be that athlete on the sideline. My wife is also a foot and ankle surgeon. We met in school. It's kind of exciting to go home each day and to be able to talk on such a high experience level on what I did at work that day. We have a busy life, so I'm at swim meets every weekend, I'm at soccer games. When my wife and I have the opportunity, we sneak away for a concert, but ultimately it all comes back to that family, and I try to incorporate that into my practice as well, to treat each patient, as if they're a member of my family. Patients, I think, feel valued in this practice. Every patient's different, every patient's unique. We take the time to listen to them and stay with them through the full healing journey. Having that team approach, that compassionate team approach at MCJR is a privilege for me in my practice. When someone gets injured or when someone has a chronic condition, these things affect their lives in a major way. It's a privilege to know that someone is entrusting me with their care. Seeing that patient come back for their follow-up and they're feeling better. They're back on their feet. They're accomplishing the things that they want to be able to accomplish. They're happier. That's just the most rewarding thing.